Receiving money on Interactive Brokers is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you can easily transfer funds to your account. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Interactive Brokers account by entering your username and password on the official website or mobile app. Step 2. Navigate to the funding section. Once logged in, find the funding tab in the main menu. This section contains all options related to deposits and withdrawals. Step 3. Select Deposit Funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Ishraq.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Choose your deposit method. Select your preferred deposit method, such as bank wire transfer, ACH transfer, or other available options. Follow the instructions provided for your chosen method. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. After entering the required information and confirming the details, submit your deposit request. You will receive a confirmation once the transaction is processed. In conclusion, following these steps will help you receive money on Interactive Brokers efficiently. Make sure to check for any specific requirements related to your chosen deposit method.